Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this space, my name is Divya. I make videos on aviation, travel and Dubai life. And today, let's talk about something which is quite close to my heart. I'm sure there'll be a lot of fans out there. Let's talk about Airbus A380 Super Jumbo double-decker aircraft. In today's video, let's talk about the Airbus 380. What happened to this aircraft? Why this aircraft is retiring so soon, so young? Let's talk about that. The Airbus A380 is the world's largest passenger carrier. It's a wide-body aircraft manufactured by the company Airbus. Since its launch to the market in the year of 2007, it has carried more than 250 million passengers. Just imagine the volume, 250 million passengers. The length of this aircraft is as long as 2 blue whales and the height of this aircraft is as tall as 5 giraffes. And it has got 4 million parts. And the Super Jumbo wide-body aircraft can carry more than 550 passengers, though the configuration differs from airline to airline. This massive 4-engine aircraft was welcomed by the passengers with so much of excitement. And Airbus 380 has redefined flying altogether. It offered private suites, shower and spa, and onboard lounges and bar to the passengers. The economy class passengers love this aircraft for its extra legroom, and the business class passengers like the fully flat bed, and first class for the personalized cabins. The unique size of the Airbus allows airlines to maximize their revenue with an optimized cabin, and they could deploy this wide-body aircraft for their long-haul flights. This is what Airbus thought. The Airbus has manufactured 242 380s till date, out of which 115 are owned by its most loyal customer, the Emirates Airline. The concept of 380 was conceived to compete with Boeing 747 in the longer routes, keeping in mind of the higher passenger volume for such routes. Because of its geographical location, the vibrant city of Dubai always had higher demand for passengers connecting onwards to Europe and US. And the home carrier Emirates has benefited from this higher demand. And they have successfully deployed and filled larger aircraft like 380s on such routes. Maybe because of this reason, Emirates has ordered maximum number of 380s. The longest route of an Airbus A380 is by Dubai's Emirates Airline, which is connecting Dubai to New Zealand city, Auckland. And the shortest A380 route is Dubai to Muscat, again by Emirates Airline. The Airbus 380 cabin is the quietest and most spacious cabin in the sky. It requires 20 plus cabin crew and 3 cockpit crews to operate an Airbus 380. Airbus is stopping the production of 380s in the year 2021. So what went wrong? Why the 380s had to take an early retirement? This fuel-guzzling 4-engine aircraft was not economical for all airlines to operate in comparison with twin-engine aircrafts like Airbus 350 and Boeing 787 Dreamliner. This could be one of the reasons for a weak demand for Airbus 380 in the market. Because of its gigantic size, an Airbus 380 needed longer and wider taxiways and runways, more gate space, and dual boarding bridges. Not all airports in the world are equipped with such facilities. this is another reason for its downfall. A capacity of 550 passengers, there are very few airlines that could fill such loads. So airline really struggled to fill up such capacity. That was another reason for the staggering demand for this particular aircraft. With its higher operating cost, unless and until the seats are fully or nearly sold, the airlines will not be able to make any yield out of it. So all these reasons together led to an early retirement of Airbus A380. Airlines like Air France and Singapore Airlines have already retired their 380s, and there are many other airlines are in the process of retiring their aircrafts as well. How many of you have traveled with an Airbus 380? Share your 380 experience in the comment section. I was lucky enough to travel quite a few times with an Airbus 380 and I was really excited about the experience. And guys, this was a short video about Airbus A380 from my perspective. I'm sure there will be a lot of aviation enthusiasts who know much more about a 380. Please do share the interesting facts in the comment section with me. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing. And see you again soon on the next video. Stay safe. Good evening.